Shingles is a rash caused by the varicella, chickenpox, virus. In children, this virus rarely causes shingles, while in adults, it rarely results in chickenpox. This rash occurs because the virus attacks a nerve ganglion in the spinal cord and spreads along the corresponding nerve, forming a band of red, painful blisters. It affects only one side of the body and can appear on the chest or abdomen, the most common locations, sometimes on the buttocks and thighs, and occasionally on the face, where it poses a risk of affecting the eye, ophthalmic shingles. Lemongrass can be useful in treating shingles. Ingredient: dried lemongrass leaves. Preparation: infuse 2 teaspoons of dried lemongrass leaves in a cup of boiling water. Let it cool, then dab the affected areas with a cotton pad soaked in the infusion. Dosage: apply once a day. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Caution: plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses.